Alright, here's a little test. We've got the microphone on the camera. It's windy. There's Pandora over there. We're just having a moment in the garden. Have a little listen. And amongst the noisy of the motorbikes and the planes, you can hear them all. All the birds, cats, dogs, chickens, foxes, hedgehogs, spiders. Not very noisy spiders, but there we go. So, Pandora Alice, you a good girl? You watching? You Daddy's girl? Here she comes. Let's have a little pan on pan. There we are. She comes to Daddy. That's it. Okay, baby. You gonna sit pretty? That's it. Sit pretty. She's so good. Such a good girl. There we go. We're listening, aren't we? Okay, there we go. Like I say, just a little test. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at the tree while we're there. Come out a little bit. Okay.